Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the finished section of the Melrose Hill bypass. Now this road is a part of the Highway 2000 project, which is to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. So this road is in Manchester, the Melrose Hill bypass. It has been upgraded to a 4-lane dual carriageway. Very nicely done. As you can see from what we're looking at, the work was done or is being done by China Harbour Engineering Company. And this project is scheduled to finish in August, and by all indications it will finish in August. Now, as you probably have heard recently, there is a lot of talk about China Harbour Engineering Company in the news and the delays in these highway projects. But it's not this section that's creating most of the problems. It is the section from Harbourview to Portland. That project is basically a disaster. This project, which is part of this is Highway 2000. This is to build a road from Kingston to Montego Bay. Now, the road goes from Kingston to Maypen. That section is up and running. You have 2 toll plazas. It's being used. But remember, the road is to go to Mandeville. So they are building the Maypen to Mandeville section of the highway now. So this section starts at the Maypen roundabout and will go up to the Williamsfield roundabout. But the highway runs its course. It has another toll plaza. The Maypen to Mandeville section has 1 toll plaza, which is in Tollgate. So the highway will run from the Maypen roundabout through Tollgate up to Clarendon Park, and then it goes by St. Tools and comes out by the Melrose Hill bypass. Now the highway is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass, and the Melrose Hill bypass will take the highway up to the Williamsfield roundabout by the steel bridge. So what's happening here is, because the highway is going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass, the bypass is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So it's going to be a dual carriageway. As you can see, very nicely done. However, it's not finished. It's scheduled to finish in August. So this part now is under construction. So from here up to the Williamsfield roundabout is left to be done, and they're working on the start of the highway by the Riamina Bridge or by the Maypen roundabout. Minor work to be done. It's just to connect both sides of the highway, and then they're building a new interchange for Maypen, and that is being worked on. But both the Riamina section, the Maypen interchange, and this section here will finish or is on schedule to finish for August. So here you can see they're taking the highway up to the roundabout or the steel bridge, which you're going to see in a little bit. So this is minor, or this section won't delay the highway, because as we said, the Harbourview to Portland section is in the news a lot because it's not going according to schedule. This is the steel bridge here now, and the roundabout is coming up. So the Harbourview to Yellow section, it's delayed by years. It's so bad that the highway was to finish in 2024. This is a Harbourview to Yellow to Portland section now. The project was split up into 16 sections, and 5 sections they have not even started work on. So there's no way that highway is going to finish in 2024, not even 2025. I'm just giving you an overview of what's going on, why it's in the news. And then the government got a loan from China, Exim Bank, and the loan was for 3 years to build the road and 2 years after the road was finished. And guess what, guys? 5 years have passed and they have not finished 1 section of that road. That loan is now becoming due, and that is why there is all this emphasis on the road to finish it. All of a sudden, everybody's paying so much interest. So the 5 years have passed and the road is not finished, and the government has to start paying back that loan. The road was to have been built in 3 years, and then you have 2 years for them to use the road, and then the payments start. Now remember, we said it's 16 sections and 5 sections have not even started yet. So they're working on the first 11 sections and none of those are finished. And then you have 5 more sections. So that is what is in the news for that project. Now, this section, the funding for this section is a part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is phase 1. Phase 2 is Harborview to Portland. So the entire thing is bundled into the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. However, just remember, this road is Highway 2000. This section of the road you will pay toll on, except for the Melrose Hill bypass. You don't pay toll on that. But the rest of Highway 2000 is a toll road, so you collect toll to pay back. This section is not finished either. However, it's scheduled to finish in August. So the government is going to have to start paying back that loan without collecting additional toll because the road is not finished. So it's not a good position to be put in, and it's highlighting a lot of problems that have to do with building in Jamaica. But we'll discuss that more in another video. Alright guys, this is an update on this section, or the finished section, or this section of the Melrose Hill bypass, which is a part of the Highway 2000 project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We will give you updates on this project every week. This and the Harborview to Yalas Leg will give you updates every week because both these sections are to finish in August of this year. And we'll give you updates on all the major projects in Jamaica every 2 weeks and all the other projects every month. And we will still be putting up the driving tours around Jamaica because people have been asking for them. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Have a good day.